welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the selection tool. So if I go on the timeline here, this is what we've been working on throughout this entire course. And if I scrub the timeline here, and I want to select LearnTech, I can literally grab the selection tool and select anything that's on the timeline. So I can grab the background, I can grab the text. And in this case, it has to be highlighted or have an outline around it for me to select it. Okay. Now, when I hover over the background, you'll notice it lights up. When I take my cursor off of the background, it turns off the rollover. But when I put my mouse here, it highlights the corners, okay, like a selection. So when I click it, now I have the background selected. Okay. Now, the selection tool is used for way more than just selecting things on the canvas. It's also used for selecting folders, digital assets that you may have here, compositions. I have Photoshop files which are offline. It shouldn't be offline, but I'll fix that later. When I go down here to the text, I can go inside of here and transform the text. I can create an animation. All this is used with the selection tool, okay? Because you'll notice everything I'm doing, the selection tool is selected. So we have all these right here selected, okay? Even when I click on the timeline and scrub left to right, I'm using the selection tool. When I select the layers, I'm using the selection tool. So it is used for everything. When I go to different menus inside of After Effects, I'm using the selection tool because I'm selecting the menu file, and then I'm selecting another menu or submenu, new, and then I'm selecting another action like new folder or Photoshop file or new team template or team project, I should say, or new project. All of this is so again, it's very important to understand what it does, what the functionality is, and to really embrace the tool because it's used for everything. Everything. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.